Good morning from Old Wardour Castle.
Good morning, everyone.
I looked at that 5 times and still couldn't remember. I still had to go and look. So we're not on a cruise today. Today we've come to visit this courtesy of Cappy Cruising and lovely husband Ian, the drone pilot. And I put my drone up, so there should be some drone footage follow this. We're not going into the castle, but
for anyone that needs to know, it's £8.75.
yeah, £8.75 if you're not a member, it is. But anyway, take care.
Bye-bye for now.
Subscribe
And like.
and like.
Bye-bye.
Cruise ship vibes, that's what we want. Living life easy at the ocean's haunt. Boozing and cruising, laughing as we play. Cat and Roy living it up, sailing away.
So we've not gone in today. There's a lovely cat. Hello, cat.
Hello.
And that's the remains of the castle. How lovely is that?
Sailing on the ocean, feeling so free. Cat and Roy together, just you and me. Under the sun, where the waves collide. Cocktails in our hands, it's a joyride. The salty breeze whispers sweet nothings. Laughter fills the air and our hearts are singing. With every sunset, we're riding our tail, living the dream. Oh, we're setting sail, boozing and cruising under the sun. Life is a party, we're just having fun. Cat and Roy forever dancing on this beam, chasing the horizon, living our dream. Flip-flops on the deck, music in the air. Every little moment there's magic to share. Friends all around us lifting our spirits high. Together we'll toast as the dolphins swim by. Sun-kissed skin and a heart full of cheer. Every sip we take pulls us closer, dear. From sunrise to sunset, we're living it right, making memories, holding each other tight. Boozing and cruising under the sun. Life is a party, we're just having fun. Cat and Roy forever dancing on this beam, chasing the horizon, living our dream. Oh, 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 yeah, we're ready for the sun. Oh, 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 you're sailing on the waves. We're just having fun. Oh, oh, oh. Standing on the deck, smile on our faces, loving the vibes, there's no better places. Wind in our hair, the seas our escape. Just you and me, creating our fate. Underneath the stars, we'll dance till dawn. With your hand in mine, we're forever drawn. City lights fading into memories past. Living in the moment, let the good times last. Boozing and cruising, it's what we do. Sailing across oceans, so bright and blue. Atlantic vibes, Caribbean dreams. With you by my side, it's better than it seems. Oh, 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 oh. Got my crew by my side, feeling so free. Sailing on this cruise ship, just you and me.
It's not doing it, is it?